You guys are probably thinking, when are they going to post another video? Well, we finally got back out. It's April, I think, 10th. April 10th, 2025. We finally got a ride trip going on. So we'll get some videos going, but we just pulled in, and I'll show you how this is starting off already. Pulled in and I heard the air leaking out of the tire over here. And there you go. Look at that. Some kind of like a spike or something. Here, I got it up on some blocks right here. I backed up on some boards so I could, and then I spun this around and I could see it. Looks like something you would put in a hammer handle to tighten up the hammerhead. Picked it up on the gravel road getting in here, obviously. So hope the rest of the weekend don't. Hope that's not a sign for how this weekend's gonna go. But all right, I'm gonna get that fixed as best I can for the trip back home, or put the spare on. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out.
You brought a lot?
Yeah. All right, guys. I got it pulled out. That's what it was. Maybe an old barn nail. And here we go. I got a plug stuck in it, and I got a little bit of air in it now. I'll air it up some more. Put a little water on it, see if it's leaking. That'll get me home, hopefully, and then new tire will be on the way, huh? Doesn't that suck? That thing's about 2.5 inches long there. That sucker was in there. All right. I'm gonna go for a little quick afternoon run here. The boys, the Oklahoma boys, haven't showed up yet, but that's okay. We're gonna run down and check out the creeks, or the rivers, creeks, whatever you call them. See how they, see how deep they are. See how they're flowing. You there? Oh, you're not hooked up, are you?
Mesh intercom on. Open mesh.
Do I got
Channel
what?
1.
Did you take your baffle out, or you get a new exhaust? I put a whiskey bent exhaust tip on.
Whiskey bent exhaust tip.
Yeah, I got rid of the big one that I had on last year. Went to something that's just a little bit bigger than stock.
Yeah, for you on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see at the T. The big road.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Matt?
You there, Mama?
Yep, I'm right behind you. Matt's coming. He's gotta get his helmet on.
Oh, he don't have his helmet on?
No, he's got it on now.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty steep with the truck getting out of here. It's matted down pretty good. I should have enough traction. I don't know. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, let's come to the right, remember? Way down through here, or not?
I thought we were going to cross the creek.
Yeah, but there's a way down through here. Come to your right.
Oh.
Ooh, maybe not. That's muddy. Oh, really muddy. Oh, really muddy.
We'll just go straight.
Yeah. Let's get some mud on your shit.
Oh, we
Yeah,
can
here
cross. Oh, no, you're fine. Are we going that way or this way?
I'm at the right. I don't know.
I'm behind you, Grizz.
Maybe I'm.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm down here in the water. You know I was going to come
I'm
in the
gone.
water.
Yeah.
Are you going
Turn
across?
around. Turn around, Tim. Wait, right here. Right here. That's fine.
Ooh, that's a little deep.
I didn't go through the mud the other day. Ain't too bad. Rocky. I'm scared of the mud, so I take the water.
Oh my
New
God.
tires, man.
You keep your feet up.
Wet.
Keep your feet up.
Oh, they're up.
That's good.
About half stuck.
No way. In what, the mud?
Yeah, evidently.
Well, I
I
think
don't want to get real muddy.
this is the deepest spot we'll see this whole weekend, I believe. Everything else should be pretty down a little bit.
Yeah, I need a wash.
Lumpy.
Lumpy?
Lumpy.
Having
That's
fun
right.
already.
You're going to bounce around a little bit.
About right here.
Cool, my
That's
friend.
where I would go. What's burning?
Me. I don't know. It smells like a fire. Forest fire or something. Campfire.
This is rough. This is rough. Oh, there's a trail there. I don't want to go up in there. I'm going to go down here. So we can cross down here too, right?
Is that a question?
Is that a question?
No, it's a statement.
It's a little deep over there.
Yeah, that does. Like I said, I don't want to get my crotch.
I already got my booty wet.
Yeah, my feet. I can't lift my legs up like everybody else. It affects my hips.
So we could go up there. Or do you want to go down, Matt? I think we can go up right there.
Well, there's here and there's a spot, looks like right down here.
Oh, is there?
Hang on. Yeah.
It is kind of rushing.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Are you going to come up here or you're going down there? Okay.
I'm just following the guys.
We need to go find that sandy spot. Remember that spot we was at that one time? It was all sand.
Yeah.
I can't remember where that was at though.
On a river in the Ozark Forest. Down there?
Yeah. Between the rocks and the trees, I
There
think
you
that's
go.
where it was. Yeah.
I'll see you, Jeff.
Shortbread.
I know we got to cross it again at some point.
Well, not when you're on this side.
Well, no.
And Tina just texted me she got her house.
Oh, good. That's good news. Tell her congratulations.
This is washed out.
I'll take a short break myself.
All right. I'll tell you what, it's dried up pretty quick down here.
Yeah.
They must have been pretty dry before that 11 inches.
Yeah, they were, but
Oh, yeah. Way
the
dry.
sun's worked on it pretty good this week.
This isn't where that cabin was.
That's kind of what I get a feeling at.
Well, you used to be able to go up there, but it just goes up to the road, so there's nothing up there.
No, I think this is it, man. Actually. Remember where we stopped down through here? People are up there on their porch.
That's not here, I didn't think.
Oh, it's not here.
I thought that was down at Max.
Remember that kind of sandbar? Kind of looky like it over there. but up there,
Oh yeah, we can get across right here,
maybe not.
and there's a trail. You want to go over there?
It looks deep on that side, but from here it does.
Oh,
You know, where's this go?
Here's the woods. No, you can go that way and see how deep it is over there.
I thought the trail was down here.
Are you trying to trail over there or what?
Man, that's deep.
Is there a trail over there?
Yeah. Yeah, here's a trail, but
Does the trail come this way, Jeff?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's over here.
So Jimbo, have you found a shortcut?
Yeah, you come up this little creek right here.
Well, I don't want to wet crotch on the first day. I lift my legs like you guys go by, I'll be wet from the knees down.
Yeah, my butt's wet. A little bit right here.
Probably going to need a replacement at the end of the year.
Did you cross
How deep
this?
that look?
Oh, really?
Oh, it's not very deep. It's just swift.
Oh, okay. Is he going to cross over there where Jimbo's at?
I mean, you can if y'all want.
One end's getting a little deeper, but you're fine. That's what he was doing too.
I think you're gonna be fine. Yeah, it wasn't nothing.
Yeah.
I mean,
That worked.
Here I come.
Okay. Well, we'll get out of the way when you get over here. You can see right where he went up. Okay, we'll just drive up through here. Forget it now. Yeah. Where you're at. You're in full wheel, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, come on up through there.
Yep, we got
Yeah,
it.
it looks... Oh, just go around me.
Okay.
That limb.
Then she gets my shoes wet. Man.
I know. I'm sorry. My boot's wet too. My left boot always gets wet when I'm crossing the creeks. I don't know what it is.
We going up or downstream?
Oh, here comes the man of the hour, let it go.
All right.
that way,
Lead
I
on.
believe.
Oh, that's right, you don't want to leave.
That's Lee Creek Beach. Is that where I came up? Yeah. That's where we came up.
Lee Creek Beach. Huh?
Yep. What it says.
Now, see, that looks like a trail over there, but I think that's deceiving.
Yeah. Boy, it looks deep over there along that rock wall.
Uh-huh.
Christ.
Stopping that mud.
I'm getting high.
Getting hot?
Yeah, we just go through there.
No, I said I'm getting high.
I just I banged
high
all over
range.
going over there.
High range. Uh-oh.
Watch out, Tim. I'm right behind you.
Be mushy.
Ooh, golly.
Can you go up to the right, or is that washed out too bad?
Might be something right there.
That's your wallow?
Is that bank washed?
A little tilty. I'm just gonna do this since I'm already lined up.
I heard it.
Yeah.
That mud on my face.
Ooh.
Oh,
Are you,
shoot.
well,
We got another one right here. It's-
Keeps getting
Yeah, just-
slipperier and slipperier.
Just
It's
go.
not bad. It's not bad.
It's not that big a deal. Just
There you go.
Just
There
don't
you
hit
go.
the- don't
I
hit the
let
tree.
I let off the gas, so that was a good thing. Okay, let's see what old Marky Mark does. Oh shit, he's
Well, yeah.
he's all
You made me stop.
he's all bound up. He's all bound up.
Back again.
Well, that didn't work.
What's that?
That looked way worse than
Oh
it
gosh.
did.
Why he did the same thing I did, about down there, went in the tree. And I didn't even see what Matt did in front of me.
Yeah, just back there.
All they do is make it slippery for us.
Well, yeah.
Oh goodness.
Little Arkansas mud.
Yep.
Yeah. Another landslide there, it looked like.
Root stain your shit.
Well, those trees were
Yeah, that's
down.
true. That red clay will.
Yep.
If it's a red
This trail is
red
nothing
mud,
but-
red mud, red mud.
I think the trail was up on that ledge originally.
Panic spot? Which way you want to go?
Panic?
Panics?
Panic? Panics.
Oh, panic. Panic.
Yeah, I thought you said
I
panic.
think this way. Well, there ought to be some mushrooms in here somewhere, you know what?
Mushrooms.
Yeah, that's what you always think.
Yeah.
I haven't smelled any.
I don't smell them.
Smell them.
Well, you can smell them from a mile
Oh, yeah.
away, huh?
No, not a mile.
Here I am at the back again. Bringing up the rear.
That is rocky.
Hey, what are you doing, Mama?
Riding it.
Where'd you guys go in at?
Right there. The right side, the left side, doesn't matter.
Well, this seems pretty deep.
Yeah, and then you're gonna hit some big rocks when you get
Yeah.
closer.
Okay.
It's worse right before you come out. Hell, there's a cabin right here on the left.
Yeah, that's what we were saying. Yeah. That's what I was looking at. It's not a cabin. It's kind of like a lean, like a lean-to. Yeah.
Like a meth house or what? Probably not.
Mark's home away from home.
I'd live in it.
I missed it.
Where's that? I don't even
Right
see
there.
it.
Right there. We've been in there before.
Yeah, we've been here because we're following a track that we made.
Yeah.
So we made it at some point. I don't know when.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah.
We stopped there. Something.
Yeah, I'm sure we checked it out.
Yep. I just don't know when, but that's the only reason I knew this trail was here, because I seen the line. I'm like, well, we've been over here at some point.
I'll be damned.
Yeah, there's a sand deal around here somewhere. A sandy area. But this is right.
Right, because you can't go up through there.
Yeah, this is part of where we were just riding the creek. That one day.
Oh, yeah.
I'll stop over here, but yeah.
Somehow we gotta go back across on some of this too. Probably up at the entrance.
Where was our last ride at? Was it last December here when it was bone dry?
Yeah.
Was it? Okay, it was last December.
Our
So
ride,
dry.
I mean, we did, or our last ride with everybody was down in Mulberry.
But it wasn't dry. That
Oh yeah, I
Yeah, it
remember
was,
that.
it was dry.
okay, it was dry.
God.
Well, then
Yeah,
that's
that
what I'm
was
talking about. We were all together.
That was the driest ride of my life.
Yeah, remember
Yeah.
how dusty it was that we got up that one trail?
Yeah, that's true.
You see the trail?
Yeah, same shitty trail we come in on.
I'm surprised we didn't see this earlier today when we were trying to find our way through.
Wait a minute. That's where you came up. You started up that way, did you? You started way up to the left.
This is that campground. Junction Campground. Yeah, just go straight forward, Mama. Be much easier.
It seemed pretty easy.
I see people up there coming down that hill, standing.
Yeah, walkers.
And hiking trail over there.
Yeah,
Oh, watch that vine.
we went up that hiking trail before.
Watch that vine.
I got it. Yeah, there's that campground. It used to be on Google Maps.
This campground?
Yep. Junction Campground.
Boy. That
I'm gonna drop in over here, Matt. I'm not doing that one. Come over
Yeah,
here,
it's gonna
Mama.
be out.
That's
ain't
about,
gonna do that.
All right.
That's about 10 foot down there. Yeah, you ain't gonna do that one.
yeah, this.
We gotta go again. We gotta cross again.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Well, there's a four-wheeler. I think it's Polaris.
What are you laughing at, Grizz? Where?
I'm not shitting. There is a four-wheeler in
Right
the
here.
creek.
Right here in the creek. It's right here.
Yep.
In the creek.
In the
Somebody
creek.
just left it. Somebody just left it.
There's not much. It's a 4x4.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Most likely it's Polaris. I mean, you know, just guessing.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Unless somebody got the wheels on it, though.
Just part it out.
Where in the heck is the trail?
Uh-huh. I think it's back to your left.
That must be where the Polaris
If you ask me.
Yeah. It's up in there.
That's just where we come from.
No, it's up in here. It's got to be.
Want me to follow you?
I guess. Yeah. Oh, the way I come up through here seems like you can cross again. Looks like there's a trail on the other side, but fuck, who knows?
We're on the trail right here. It's come
And
right.
this water's just been up so high, it's washed all these trails
Yeah,
out.
it's right
Yeah,
there. Come on,
that's it.
right on down that. Over to the right a little bit more. Yeah, there you go.
Stop here.
Holy crap.
Yep, there you go.
Stand
Come on down,
on your
Mama.
nose.
Let it roll.
Over there.
Speed.
I was off the gas. I just let it roll.
Is that it over there?
I don't know.
That looks deep.
Look, that looks deep, yeah. This over here
Oh.
not so bad.
Yeah, this ain't bad. Shouldn't be.
Okay, let me look. We're on the trail right now.
We need to go across.
We do cross it again. Yeah, this ain't bad. Let me film you guys. Yep, should be right up through there.
Yeah, we're back on trail here. Ah!
Okay. That was hard to find, wasn't it? It was right here,
Yeah.
but we couldn't find it. It's crazy.
left or?
Should be close to the parking lot.
Yeah.
We're not too
Should be.
far away. Yeah, left. Yeah. It's right there. That's nuts.
I've been down through here. Uh-oh.
Yeah, 'cause we should not have to cross the creek anymore. We're on the right side. The only way you cross it now is because you want to go clean it.
Yeah.
That'd be it. Ah.
There they are.
Oh, I just went another way. I was like, I don't see their tracks. I wasn't seeing your guys' tracks, so I was
Yeah.
like, where are they at? You guys just kind of took together,
All go same spot.
all in the same place.
Go back to where we were. Where it's all washed out.
Watch out. Don't go out there. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to go
Oof.
off the ledge.
You would be a goner.
Send it.
I'd be a goner.
Send it.
You would just leave me there. You wouldn't even come after me, would you?
You're right about that, because there would be nothing left.
She gone. She gone.
Get your cell phone, buddy.
Back here at camp. How about that? Got some new folks showing up. Or the Oklahoma boys, I'd say. Just pull up right behind me if you want. That was a fun afternoon ride.
Yep, nice weather.
Oh, man.
Nice ride.
What, about 15, 16 miles? Anyhow, hey,
Something
thanks
like
for
that.
watching. All right. We'll see you. See you on the next video. Bye.